Hello guys, Jaime here, reminding you that it's okay to like your job and to use that money to invest in your hobbies like buying gold and silver. Today I'm going to show you how to buy gold and silver from Apmex in real time. I ended up purchasing 4 coins. I hope you enjoy this. Bye. Hello guys, Jaime here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy in real time coins from Apmex. So I made a video on my main channel maybe 3 weeks ago where I didn't buy. I just showed you how to buy coins on JM Bullion, the competitor. But today I'm actually going to buy some coins. I wasn't planning on buying coins today, but I for some reason went on this website and I saw that they had this limited edition Back to the Future coin, 2020 proofs. That's pretty cool actually. 2020. I didn't notice that. 2020 proofs. So I figured I'd buy a couple, or at least one, and maybe shop around real time. So if you want to stay through this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like, where I go to find the coins that I want to buy, and see if anything is worth buying. Typically I get at least $100 because once you buy $100 worth of something, then you get to not pay for shipping. So actually let me sign in first. Let's see if it remembers me. Yes, it does. I have to blur this part out so you don't... Oh, I had something in my cart, but I don't want this anymore. So I'm going to delete this. Alright, keep shopping, yes, thank you. So now we come back here. I'm going to click on this ad, shop now, because I want this coin. And I see that they have the 2020 new 1 ounce silver, $2. So I want to buy this one, but this one over here is a pre-sale. 2020, what's the difference? What's this one? This one is a premier single. What does that mean? Why is this one more is it more expensive? The 2020 Back to the Future exclusive is that all coins. Okay, so how is this one different? Because is it graded? One, I think it's just because it's in a little container. I might have to get one of each just to show you how they work. So just right now, if I don't find anything else that's worth buying, let's get one of these and I'll continue shopping. And let's go back to the other page. Let's get one of these. So let's add this one. I'll add it to my cart. So now we have one of each, but I want to explore all the options. Oh, this one is graded. Okay, so this one is graded. This one is a mint. Yeah, it's a PCGS M70. So that means Mint Strike 70. It's just not a proof though. It's interesting because it said proof coins, but this grading here, MS, means Mint Strike. It's a perfect to 70, but it's not a proof. It would have been PR or PF, depending on the grader. Well, I don't want to buy this for 90 because I don't like this. I'm fine with that. There are some coins I do buy, but I typically just buy proofs if they're graded, or if they're not, I don't bother. What about this one? Out of stock? Nah, I don't really mind. Oh, but it comes with these cool little... Damn it. That's why it's out of stock. Yep, I'll probably buy this one from eBay. But in the meantime, I'm happy with this. Let's go look at their deals. So if you click on deals, we get to see what they have. I think I don't like about Apmex's deals page is that it's overwhelming. They have too many deals. Like, you can't have this many deals, but I guess they are a lot bigger than JM Bullion. JM Bullion has 4 to 5 deals at once, whereas these people have a lot. As you can see, this is their silver deals, then they have the gold at the bottom, and then they have their collectibles right here. Collectible deals. So it's kind of overwhelming, but I get it. So let's see if they have anything worth buying here. Nope. No, nothing I'm interested in. I just bought this one last week. Do I want the Irish one? I don't know. Let's see. I go more for themed coins. You know, I have a channel, well, depending on where I post this, I have a channel, my personal channel, where I talk about investments, and my coin channel where I talk about the coins, but most of my coins are themed, like Disney, Marvel, you know, those kind of coins. So let's see if there's anything worth. This Canada one I thought was really cool, but it's not worth 60 bucks to me. 007, this one is really cool. I like that 007. I have the silver version of this one. And of course Silver Eagles I do. Okay, so I don't like anything here. I hope I find something else because I really want that other coin, but I do not want to pay for shipping. Do I have this one? Oh, actually, so I have this one. I have the 2020 new Disney Mickey and Pluto. I have this one, the Deadpool one. But do I have this one? Actually, I don't think I do. I think I was gonna buy it at one point and it sold out. But now it's here. Okay. Oh, this is Darth Vader. I can get behind Darth Vader. I can get behind Darth Vader. I don't have a Darth Vader coin. I was looking at one actually. No, I don't want this Boba Fett one because I don't really know who Boba Fett is. I think he's the green guy. But, you know, this coin here, the Star Wars one, is they made 100,000 of these. Not rare at all. But I was going to buy one of these coins. It wasn't this exact one, but it's and it's on sale too. So might as well. So let's do it. Let's begin the checkout process. Begin checkout. I'm going to buy this and this. So I'm pretty sure I don't have Steamboat Willie. Pretty sure. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. Okay, we're gonna blur this. This has my information. You get 5 minutes to keep the prices because the price of gold and silver fluctuates. You do pay taxes if you live in California. A lot of these states you do pay taxes, but some states like Florida you wouldn't pay taxes. So if you ever want to buy a lot of gold and silver, go to Florida. And that's it. Now I'm going to, yes I have red, I'm going to place the order. So personal check, right? The thing I don't like about Apmex is that you have to send them a check. You can't just you can wire the money, but you have to pay for the wire. You can't just pay through your bank like you can JM Bullion. It's kind of tedious because the first thing tomorrow morning, the first thing I have to do is write a check, ship it to them. They take about 5 days to process it. They're in Texas. Then they say, okay, now we got your check. It takes about 3 to 4 days for the funds to clear. Alright, now we're going to ship it to you. So it takes a while. It takes a while. And especially when you have an item that has it's a pre-order, like the Back to the Future one, then you have to wait for that item to be ready. So look at this. June 30th is when it's going to ship because of this coin. But it is what it is. It's a nice surprise. You know, you buy it. It's not, you're buying money with money, and it's kind of a hobby, right? Just like buying cars. But I can justify this one. I can justify this one. But anyway, I just bought 4 coins, 124 bucks, not that expensive. I hope you learned from this video. This is how you buy gold and silver. I mean, I could have bought gold, but I didn't. How you buy silver on Apmex. So, Jaime is out. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.